Hello. Hello. So we have two new or three new features. The feature one is shipping from location. So assuming you have a stock in Abia or Enugu and you want to use it for stock deduction, you can now change the ship from Lagos, change it to the location the stock is at. So the customer message will say your order has left Abia or something. So that way it's much more user experience rich. So I'll put this back to Lagos. That is the first feature. The second one is checklists. So say a checklist is used when for a particular order you have a list of things you need to make mention of, and you need it to be tracked, and you need it to be, when you need to know when it's done, and you need to have due dates for it. Let's say call the supplier or call the Waybill people or call this person. Like, now we only have one due date. The due date is only one, but now let's say we want to do one or two three things, we could actually say add a checklist. So in this checklist I will say call to follow up. So that's the name of the checklist. In the checklist, I'll add an item. An item is a task I want to assign for this specific order so that I know when it is done and when it is not done. So I'll click on add an item. I'll say call storekeeper and know when item will arrive. So I want to assign this to, me in this case is Abigail. So, or to anybody. I'll click on assign, click on Abigail, click on done. You can assign multiple people. You can add a due date. You can say, okay, let's do it tomorrow. You can do the time. I can say by 12 p.m. tomorrow. So 12 p.m. I will take this and click on add. Now you see this checklist has been added. You can also add another one called customer, and then I can also assign to anybody I want, but in this case Abigail, because now I'm using her order as an example. I can also say the due date is Saturday, so I can click on add. So you see now that this will auto populate, and then on the order card you will see that here, that you see we have this icon for comment, we have this icon for checklist. If you click on it, it takes you to the checklist. You can add multiple checklists, you can add as much as you want, but for the sake of this video, we'll keep it as one. So whenever a checklist is done, you can see hide completed. I'll click this, is done. I can also hide completed so that I will not see it. I can click on show, I can click on hide. I can change manage assignee, I can delete the item. So when it is done, it is done. You can see it, so that way you don't keep chasing task, see, in the WhatsApp channel, and then it's buried deep down. But now for a particular order, for a particular customer, their checklist, and then when you go back you see them. So it's also for VA, store managers, CEOs, for me as well. So for now I will unassign this and delete, so that way you're getting notifications, but just bear with me. So you could delete one for one, or you could delete the whole thing. So for now I deleted the whole thing. So the third feature we have now is comment with image. Just like we normally did before, we kind of say received 12k. You could now add image. Click on photo library, and I'll just select let me choose this. Okay, so say revived 12k. I received. So that is that. So when you click it, I can actually see it. So those are the three features we added. All right, let me know if you have any questions or if anything is confusing, and I will answer. Thank you.